Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to save your progress inside your Webflow website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options that you can access in Webflow. Here we can see all of our websites that we have created, and here we even have the option to go ahead and create a new website if we want. So after creating the website guys, you can go ahead and open it up right here in your dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and open up this website called YouTube Tutorials, and after clicking on Open Designer guys, now this will open up the website in the page and we can get started with editing the website. So if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see multiple options that you can use for editing your website and adding new features. You have the option to go ahead and add new elements if you want. You can see all your components that you have added. You can even see your site settings and so on. And after you have finished with adding your features, at the right side of the screen, you will see the option to style those features and elements. As you can see, you have the style option right here. Let's say I want to select this text. I can go ahead to style right here at the right side of the screen. Then I can change the color, I can change the spacing of the text, and so on. You even have your element settings and so on. So what you can do is go ahead and edit your text and edit your website until you're satisfied with how it looks. Then you have to go ahead and save the website. And as you can see here guys, all changes are saved automatically. And if they aren't and you want to make sure, you can go ahead and click Ctrl S on your keyboard to make sure that you have saved your website, and then all of your changes are saved. After you have saved guys, you can go ahead and publish the website by clicking the publish button in the upper right corner, and here you can go ahead and click publish to select the domains to go ahead and publish your website and confirm that your site is saved and published. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.